This is a quick tutorial on how to refill these cartridges. You're going to need a syringe with a special tip that we have. Basically, just put the syringe onto the end and you push down. Make sure that the syringe is pushed down because there's a spring inside, and then you can fill. These are 110 milliliters. So what you can do is overfill and then suck out the excess air. So remember that these syringes are 60 milliliters. So it's basically 2 syringes full. So after you fill up with 2 syringes full, then you can tilt it and then pull out any excess air and the excess 10 milliliters of ink. But might be a good idea just to do 15 so that everything is pressurized correctly and you don't get any ink dropping out of the print head. You can only do this a couple of times just because there would be too much contamination of old and new ink. But you can do this probably around 4 to 5 times if it's just solution that you've got in there. Any questions, just feel free to give us a call or contact us. Thanks.